Okay, in this video, we're going to look at using a function table and then also graphing that function. So in here we have the function y equals x plus 3, and they gave us the x's or the independent variable. We're going to find y, which is known as the dependent variable, because it depends on what x is. So we plug the 0 in for x, we go 0 plus 3 is 3. And here we go, 3 plus 3 gives us 6. And 6 plus 3 is 9. And then 7 plus 3 is 10. Now we need to graph the points. So here we actually only have to graph 2 of the points, and any 2 will work. So here, if I take a look, I have 3 and 6. And then I have 6 and 9. Now here I have y equals 3x. So I go 3 times 1, which is 3. 3 times 2, which is 6. And then 3 times 3, which is 9. So again, I would go 1 and 3, 2 and 6. So also now here, they're also going to give you all 4 quadrants. So here I have 2x plus 6. So I have to put the negative 8 in. So 2 times negative 8. 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. I'm going to add to that the 6. So that becomes negative 10. Then here I have 2 times negative 4. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 plus the 6. Negative 8 plus 6 becomes negative 2. And here I have negative 3. So 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 6 becomes 0. And then I have negative 2. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus the 6 becomes 2. Now I need to graph a couple of these. So I could say negative 4, negative 2. Then negative 3, 0. So here, I have one where it's y equals negative 9. I have no x value. So when I plug in the x, nothing changes with it, but leaves y here as negative 9. So each time here, it is negative 9. So when I look at this, I could go, well, negative, I have 3, negative 9. Then I can come over here to 6, but that's also negative 9. So we get a horizontal line going through negative 9. So here again, we have another one where we have to put in the 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 20 is negative 10. I put in the 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 minus 20 becomes a negative 5. Now 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20 becomes that 0. If we start to notice here as these are going up, we get that pattern. I go 5 times 5 is 25, minus 20 gives me 5, and here we're going to get 10. Then I can graph. So I have 4, 0, and then I can go 5, 5. Now lastly, when you get to the challenge ones, they actually don't give you any numbers. You have to sort of make up your own. So if I say x is 4, I go, okay, then 4 minus 4 is 0. Then if I say x is 5, so I would go 5 minus 4 is 1. Now here I have negative 2 minus 5. So what I might do is I would say, okay, maybe I'll try 0. So that would mean negative 2 times 0 minus 5. So that means I would get negative 5. So I end up with the point 0, negative 5. Then maybe I would also try the point, say 2. So I would go negative 2 times 2 minus 5. Well, negative 2 times 2 would become negative 4 minus 5. Remember the rules, this becomes plus a negative. And we end up with negative 9. So I get the point 2, negative 9. Now all I need is 2 points to graph it. So I have 0, negative 5, and 2, negative 9. So 0, negative 5, then 2, negative 9. And this is how you graph, making both the function table, then the graph.